This is Frankie McDowell, my own TV station, live from the Neville Park. Attention citizens of Colorado, blizzard warning expedition for Colorado. It's supposed to be 50+ centimeters of snow with winds gusting up to over 100+ kilometers per hour. People in Colorado, be prepared for a huge blizzard. It's supposed to be zero visibilities, real high snow drifts, and a lot of power lines will be down. Transformers will be destroying everything. Blizzard will be so powerful for Colorado. It may knock the trees over. It may bring down the transformers. It may bring down the power lines. The power will grow. There will be a lot of car accidents because the roads will be full of snow. All kinds of cars will be stuck in the snow in Denver, Colorado on Thursday, March 8th, 2012. People in Colorado, be prepared. The day before the huge blizzard hits Denver, Colorado. Buy your groceries, buy your flashlights and candles and bottled water and everything ready. Buy your snow blowers and shovels and everything because the blizzard will be very powerful in Colorado. People in Colorado, be prepared. Have your winter boots ready, have your winter jackets ready, and hats and gloves and scarves and ski pants ready because it will be a very powerful storm to hit Colorado on March 8th, 2012. It's supposed to be a powerful blizzard, lots of car accidents, all kinds of cars will be stuck in the snow because the storm will be very powerful. Zero visibilities, blowing snow, widespread whiteout conditions for Denver, Colorado. Have your emergency kits ready. Have your blankets ready. Put on your fireplaces when the power goes out. If anybody got fireplaces in Denver, Colorado. Buy all your canned foods. And buy your groceries the day before the huge blizzard on March 8th, 2012. Order your pizzas from your pizza shops and order your Chinese food from the Chinese restaurants because the huge blizzard is going to hit Colorado on March 8th. On Wednesday, March 7th, 2012, people in Colorado, do your grocery shopping before the huge blizzard hits Colorado. Best of luck to you. People in Colorado, be prepared for a huge blizzard. Good luck.